Welcome to Learn Psych Online. Welcome, great learners. Nice to see you again. Today we'll be learning Psychobiology Psychology. You'll be learning that in Psych 102 if you're a university student. We'll be learning the definition, research, techniques, and functions of those techniques today in this video. Hey guys, let's dive into today's topic, which is psychobiological psychology. It is also known as biopsychology or physiological psychology. Physiological psychology. Now see that in this psychobiology psychology, there are two main words there, which is biology and psychology. I'll first define biology. Let me first define biology. Biology is the study of living organisms and their interaction, while psychology is the study of the mind and behavior. It's the study of mind and behavior. That is psychology. Let me now go ahead and define the meaning of psychobiology psychology. Psychobiology psychology is a subfield of psychology that focus on understanding the relationship between the brain, the nervous system, and behavior. That is a very simple definition you can give to psychobiology psychology. Psychobiology psychology. Another definition you can give it is that it can be defined as a scientific study of the narrow physiological process of the brain function and behavior. It can also be defined as a discipline that seeks to explain biological function, mechanism, and process as they define and explain inheritance, metabolic process, cellular function, nervous system, endocrine activities, and how all these affect behavior. The goal of psychobiological psychology is to create an understanding of how the system of the body function to produce what human and animal organisms display as behavior. That is the main goal of psychobiology, to know how biological view of how human and animal behave, display their behavior. How do you move? How do you think? Biological way of you think, biological way of you think. That is what this psychobiological psychology is trying to say. It exploits physiological processes such as neurotransmitter, hormones, and brain structure, influence thought, emotion, and action. Psychobiological psychologists study topics like the neuro-basic of perception, memory, emotion, and the impact of psychological function on psychological disorder and behavior. The field aims is to bridge the gap between biology and psychology to gain insight into the biological underpinning of human behavior. If you check on the screen, you are going to see another definition of biological psychology, an example of it. Now, I hope you all understand the definition of psychobiology psychology. Now, let's dive into the research and techniques in psychobiology psychology. And this one is instrument that used in psychobiology psychology to assess the internal functioning of the body. These techniques are used to investigate the relationship between biology and behavior. These techniques are classified into two techniques that comprises methods that are similar, that are employed by the general field of psychology. Under these techniques, we have number one, administration of psychological tests. Number two, interview of human subjects. Number three, experiment with human anomalous subjects. Number 4, observational study. Number 5, mental analysis. The second techniques we have is techniques which are made up of methods that are not utilized by the general field of psychology, we have skin conductant response, which is LCR. It is used to measure body arousal. Body arousal typically means to a the heightened state of a psychological or physiological activation in an individual. That is the meaning of body arousal. It is used. Skin conductant response is also used to measure increase in intensity or concentration of an individual. Second one under this techniques is electrocardiogram, which is EKG. It is used to measure heart rate. Third one we have under the techniques is electroencephalogram, which is EEG. It is used to record brain activities and also used to utilize sleep and electrical activities of the brain. The fourth one under this techniques is galvanic skin response, which is GSR. It is used to record the activities skin, sweat glands. Last and not the least that we have on these techniques is electromyogram, which is EMG. It is used to measure the muscular activities. That is what is used to measure. Thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I will really appreciate if you can like, share and comment your question on the comment section. Share with your friend. See you the next video. Thanks for watching.